Hello driving intelligence community. Not too long ago I did a video on replacing batteries in a Walmart watch. Well, I had some feedback on this sexy Walmart watch and people are asking how to set the time and other functions on here. I had to figure that out myself and I'm going to show you how to get that done in this video. Stay tuned. To bring the watch into time adjust mode, you hit the bottom left key 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and you'll see it's flashing. You adjust that number with the top right button and you select the function that you want to adjust or the digits with the bottom right button. There's hours, minutes, there's the month, the day of the month, the day of the week, and it'll just go through that cycle. And then you hit it one more time to put it back into time mode. To use a stopwatch mode, you hit the bottom left button once. The top right button starts the stopwatch and stops it. And then if you want to reset or use the lap, it's the bottom right button. And of course the alarm from timekeeping mode is two hits of the button. And here you'll see it's in the alarm. It's set at 1 a.m. I'm not using it at 1 a.m. And this button here goes from alarm to different other functions. I don't really know what that means with these little lights, but it turns the alarm on and off. And that's how you can use this watch. So I'll hit it one more time. It puts it back into time mode. And I've got it properly set for where I am in South Carolina. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my sexy Walmart watch time adjustment. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.